Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav. Today we have Mr. Sanu. He is a data science engineer. So we are going to talk about data science, what is data science and how anyone can make their career in data science. So Mr. Sanu, can you tell something about yourself?
Yeah, thank you, Pradeep, for inviting me to your YouTube channel, and hi all to your viewers. So, hello guys. I am a data analyst and aspiring data scientist. So, I'm working in a MNC in Bangalore as a data analyst and working on some data science projects. So, I just want to tell you in this video means how you can make your career into data science career. So before that, let me tell you more about myself. I have almost 6 year plus experience in data analysis, and I have good command on some data analysis tools like Power BI, uh, advanced excels, and Python also. In some project we use Python and some data query language like SQL. So after that, I want to tell you about my previous organizations and my award and rewards. I was working in Chandigarh in a Oppo company. So there I got two-time employee of the year, and before that I was in broadband company. So there I got a retention champion award, and now currently I'm working in MNC because of confidential data we are working on. That's why I can't tell company name. So uh, here also I got the summit award for first quarter. So this is all about me. So yes, Pradeep.
Okay. Mr. Sanu, my first question is that can you tell me what is
Yeah,
basically data science?
yeah. See, simply in layman languages, data science is the study of data. So basically, in everywhere we know we are producing lots of data. Even you are using mobile, even you are going to any website, you are producing a data. If you are moving your mouse and you are clicking on somewhere, that that thing also produce a kind of data, the log files. Okay, so to manage these data and to getting insights from this data, to getting the proper knowledge so that we can use that knowledge to grow our business, that is called data science. So the data scientists use so many techniques, which can be included in data science.
So Mr. Sanu, what is the main responsibility of a data science engineer in any software company? Means what is
Yeah,
what they are doing?
yeah. See, like I said, we use data to increase our organization's growth. So basically, data scientist, there is lots of roles also in data science field, but basically I'm talking about data analysis and data scientist. So data analyst can't be a data scientist because he will not be working on machine learning algorithms. But data scientist can be a data analysis also, data analyst also, and they will be working on the machine learning part, machine learning algorithms. So for that, they should have knowledge about machine learning models. They apply those techniques, machine learning techniques, to the data to getting insights. So usually, basically, the what role is it is means they spend a lot of time to analyzing the data so that, and they uh, give their time to spend on machine learning algorithms to understand what is going on in the data so that they can give that information to the stakeholders, means the company owner, or we can say whatever management is there, to increase their organization growth. So this is how data scientists to help to stakeholder to increase their organization's growth. So this is the role of data scientists.
Okay, Mr. Sanu, what are the basic requirements for being a data science engineer? Suppose there is any student who want to become a data analyst or data science engineer, then what are the
Okay.
basic requirements?
Okay, see, basically, there is lots of things, but according to whatever I have figured out now around, I'm working on this data science field from 2 years. So I guess if you are love to play with data and you love to work on data, then you can become a data scientist. And uh, you have to spend some time on machine learning algorithms, and you should have statistics knowledge and probability knowledge, because all this data science techniques, or we can say machine learning techniques, all are dependent on math. There is three things in math: statistics, probability, and calculus. To understand those algorithms, you have to understand the math behind it. Then only you can understand the how it will work. There are lots of parameters, hyper parameters, which you can understand after knowing the math behind that algorithm. So first, I will tell, you have to understand the math behind it. Then you can play with the data, and these things you have to understand. You have to get knowledge about it. Then only you can work on in data science field.
Okay, Mr. Sanu, this is last question to you. Can you give some
Yeah,
suggestion to our viewer if anyone
yeah.
interested to be a data science engineer, and which subject they
Okay.
should focus to become a very good data science engineer or data analyst? Because you have mentioned many terms during the interview as like machine learning, Python. I think you have
Yeah.
mentioned many things. What is your final suggestion?
Yeah, see, if anyone want to get into data science, first they have to figure out, because this data science term is becoming highlighted in everywhere. Means everyone want to be a data scientist, but they don't even know what is field it is all about. So first you have to figure out, means what is your interest. If you love to play with data and you love math, because we are going to apply so many mathematical terms in while analyzing the data. So first you have to figure out, if you are means you are the person who love math and who can play with data, who loves to analyze the data. So then only you can figure out. Otherwise you will struggle understanding the math and analyzing the lots of data. So first I can tell you step by step, means what can be the path if any fresher can means want to be a data scientist or get into this field. First you need to uh, understand, need to learn the Python. Means first step is Python. Okay, learn Python, basics of Python, like whatever it is there, the oops concept, the means how its data structures are working there. Okay, basic programs. After that you start learning statistics and probability. There are lots of things, there is which comes after big data term. There we can apply statistics and probability. So those all concepts we use in at the time of data analysis. So statistic analysis is another term, means we can say, uh, while analyzing the data we also call it statistic analysis. So after that you have to learn machine learning algorithms. Okay, because you have learned about this statistics, okay, and probability. Now you can easily pick up the algorithms, means how it is working. And side by side you have to understand the little bit knowledge of calculus, because in machine learning algorithms the calculus is also another part. So after that you start working on data. There is a website called Kaggle. Okay, or there are many websites you who provide the uh, lots of data. So you can play around it, and side by side you can apply for internship. So this is how you can go through this path, and you can become a data scientist.
Okay, Sanu bhai, actually I have a confusion. Uh, I think
Yeah,
data science and big data are same thing, or both are different thing. Actually, you have mentioned big data term, so that's why I'm asking. If both are same thing,
yeah.
yes.
No, see, data science can be means you can call a data scientist if he's working on a small data also. But nowadays we are talking about statistics. Okay, now statistics there are some concepts of statistics which can be applied on large amount of data only. Then only we can you know we can get a proper conclusion. So the big data term is comes where big big companies are working on large amount of data, like Google and Facebook, Amazon. They are working on petabytes on daily basis. So this big data term we can say as a same, but it is not required that data scientists should be worked on big data only. It can be work only in Excel. If you can provide a solution in Excel only to your stakeholder, then it's fine for them. You can give your solution in Excel also. It is nothing like you have to work on big data only, means big data technology only. So basically thing is, big data comes there when you have a large amount of data. Okay, so this is means it's all about data, but big data come when you have a large amount of data. Otherwise you can be work on a small amount of data, and you can give your solution in which in any technology, in any tool.
Okay, Sanu bhai, I think this was a very great interview with you. Thank you for attending this interview. Thank you, and just enjoy your
Thank,
Sunday.
thank you,
Thank you.
Pradeep bhai, for the
Thank you.
opportunity.